2025 Honda CRV versus Toyota RAV4. Which one destroys your wallet? Dealers will tell you the Honda CRV and Toyota RAV4 are basically the same vehicle. Similar price, similar size, similar features. But one costs $3,200 more to own over 5 years. And dealers profit when you choose the expensive one. They make more on markups, financing, and service. While they're pushing extended warranties and protection packages, they're hiding the real ownership costs that determine which SUV empties your bank account faster. This is TrueCostAuto. I'm going to expose the 7 hidden cost differences between these SUVs, show you which one mechanics actually drive, and give you the exact questions to ask dealers that reveal their profit margins. Let's break down the real numbers. Before we dive in, let me be specific about what we're comparing. We're looking at the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid and the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, both in their most popular trims. The CR-V Sport and the RAV4 XLE, both with all-wheel drive because that's what most buyers choose. These are the 2 best-selling hybrid SUVs in America, and dealers love selling both of them because the profit margins are huge. Now let's see which one actually costs less to own. Cost Category 1, Purchase Price and Dealer Markup. Let's start with what you see on the window sticker. The 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid Sport has an MSRP of $38,645. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XLE has an MSRP of $35,870. Right there, the RAV4 looks $2,775 cheaper. But here's what dealers don't tell you about these numbers. Honda dealers right now are selling CRVs near MSRP. Some are even offering small discounts because inventory is good. You can find CRV hybrids sitting on lots. Toyota dealers are adding market adjustments. The RAV4 hybrid shortage is real. Most dealers are adding $2,000 to $5,000 in markups. Some are calling them protection packages or pre-installed accessories, but it's pure profit. Real-world purchase price difference. Honda CR-V costs $800 to $1,200 less after dealer games. That RAV4 that looked cheaper on paper, you'll pay more to actually drive it home. And if you're financing, that markup gets buried in your monthly payment where most buyers never notice it. Cost Category 2. Insurance cost difference. Nobody talks about insurance during the test drive, but it's a real monthly expense for the next 5 years. I pulled quotes from 3 major insurers for the same driver. 35 years old, clean record, standard coverage. Honda CR-V Hybrid, $1,485 per year average. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, $1,620 per year average. That's a $135 per year difference. Over 5 years, that's $675 more for the RAV4. Why does the RAV4 cost more to insure? 2 reasons. First, RAV4s get stolen more often. Higher theft rates mean higher premiums. Second, RAV4 parts cost more to replace after accidents. Insurance companies know this and charge accordingly. Your rate might be different based on your age and location, but the pattern holds. RAV4 hybrids consistently cost more to insure than CR-V hybrids. Cost Category 3, Gas Mileage Reality Check. Both manufacturers advertise impressive MPG numbers. Let's look at the EPA ratings first. Honda CR-V Hybrid, 43 city, 36 highway, 40 combined. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, 41 city, 38 highway, 40 combined. On paper, they're almost identical. Both claim 40 miles per gallon combined. But EPA numbers are lab tests. Real-world driving is different. I checked Fuely.com, where actual owners track their real gas mileage. Over thousands of fill-ups. Honda CR-V Hybrid real-world average, 38.2 miles per gallon. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid real-world average, 37.4 miles per gallon. Both fall short of EPA claims. But the CR-V gets about 1 mpg better in real driving. That doesn't sound like much. Let's do the math. Drive 15,000 miles per year. Gas at $3.50 per gallon. CRV uses 393 gallons per year. Cost $1,376. RAV4 uses 402 gallons per year. Cost $1,408. That's $32 per year difference. Over 5 years, that's $160 saved with the CRV. Small savings, but it adds up. And if gas prices spike to $4.50 or $5 per gallon, that difference grows fast. Cost Category 4. Maintenance Schedule Costs. This is where dealers make their real money, and where the cost differences start getting serious. Both vehicles need regular maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections. But the schedules and costs are different. Honda CRV Hybrid Maintenance Schedule. Oil changes every 7,500 miles, transmission fluid at 90,000 miles, spark plugs at 120,000 miles, brake fluid every 3 years. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid Maintenance Schedule. Oil changes every 10,000 miles, transmission fluid inspection at 60,000 miles, coolant replacement at 100,000 miles, brake fluid every 2 years. Notice Toyota's brake fluid schedule, every 2 years instead of 3. That's 1 extra service in 5 years. Let's calculate actual costs over 75,000 miles of driving over 5 years. Honda CRV Hybrid. 10 oil changes at $75 each, $750, 10 tire rotations at $35 each, $350, 1 transmission fluid inspection, $0, visual check. 2 brake fluid changes at $120 each, $240, air filter, cabin filter, other items, $300 total, $1,640. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. 8 oil changes at $85 each, $680, 8 tire rotations at $40 each, $320, 1 transmission fluid service at $150, $150, 3 brake fluid changes at $130 each, $390, coolant service at $180, $180, air filter, cabin filter, other items, $320, total $2,040. The RAV4 costs $400 more in scheduled maintenance over 5 years. Toyota dealers charge more per service, and their brake fluid schedule adds an extra visit. But here's the bigger problem. Toyota dealers are more aggressive about upselling unnecessary services. Transmission flushes you don't need, fuel system cleaners, engine air induction services. Honda dealers do this too, but Toyota service departments have a reputation for pushing harder. That $400 difference can easily become $800 if you're not careful. Cost Category 5. Parts and repair costs. Scheduled maintenance is predictable, repairs are not, but we can look at common problems and parts costs. Both vehicles are reliable, but things still break. Let's compare common repair costs. Brake pads and rotors, all 4 wheels. Honda CRV, $450 parts, $500 installed. Toyota RAV4, $520 parts, $600 installed struts, full set front and rear. Honda CRV, $680 parts, $1,100 installed. Toyota RAV4, $780 parts, $1,250 installed alternator replacement. Honda CRV, $385 part, $550 installed. Toyota RAV4, $425 part, $625 installed. Toyota parts consistently cost 10 to 15% more, and Toyota labor rates at dealerships average $145 per hour. Honda dealerships average $130 per hour. Over 5 years, you'll probably need 1 major repair, maybe brakes, maybe struts, maybe something else. On average, that repair costs $150 more at a Toyota dealer than a Honda dealer. You can save money using independent mechanics, but Toyota's hybrid system is complex. Many independent shops won't touch it. You're stuck going to the dealer. Honda's system is complex too, but more independent shops have the training to work on them. Cost Category 6. The all-wheel drive tax. Both of these vehicles come with all-wheel drive as standard on most trims. That sounds great until you understand the hidden costs. First cost, worse gas mileage. We already covered that. But there's more. Second cost, tire replacement. With all-wheel drive, you need to replace all 4 tires at once. Even if only one tire gets damaged, the systems require all tires to have the same tread depth within 2/32 of an inch. Get a flat tire? You can't just replace one. You're buying 4 at $180 per tire. That's $720 plus installation. Tire cost over 5 years, assuming one early replacement. Both vehicles, $720 unexpected expense. Some people get lucky and never have a flat. Others hit a pothole at 20,000 miles and need 4 new tires. It's a gamble with AWD. Third cost, limited tire choices. These hybrids use low rolling resistance tires for better fuel economy. Those tires cost more than regular tires, and you have fewer brand options. Standard all-season tires, $140 each. Low rolling resistance hybrid tires, $180 each. You're forced to buy the expensive ones if you want to maintain your gas mileage. Over 2 sets of tires in 5 years, that's an extra $320 compared to non-hybrid vehicles. Both vehicles share this AWD tax equally, but it's a hidden cost that dealers never mention. They're too busy bragging about AWD capability you probably don't need. Cost Category 7, resale value and depreciation. This is the biggest cost of vehicle ownership. Most people focus on monthly payments and miss the depreciation hit. Let's look at current resale values for 5-year-old models. 2020 vehicles with 75,000 miles in good condition. 2020 Honda CRV Hybrid. Original MSRP, $30,560. Current value, $23,500. Depreciation, $7,060. Percent retained, 77%. 2020 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Original MSRP, $29,470. Current value, $24,200. Depreciation, $5,270. Percent retained, 82%. The RAV4 holds value better. It depreciates $1,790 less over 5 years. That's money in your pocket when you sell or trade. Why does the RAV4 hold value better? Toyota's reputation for reliability. The RAV4 hybrid shortage creates used vehicle demand, and Toyota's marketing is stronger. But here's the catch. You paid more upfront for the RAV4. Between dealer markup and higher MSRP, you spent an extra $1,500 to $2,500 buying it new. So you lose less in depreciation, but you paid more to begin with. The math almost cancels out. If you plan to drive the vehicle into the ground and keep it for 10 to 15 years, resale value doesn't matter. You're never selling it. But if you trade every 5 years, the RAV4's stronger resale helps offset its higher costs. Cost breakdown. Let's add up the real 5-year ownership costs. This assumes 75,000 miles of driving and typical repairs. Honda CRV Hybrid. Purchase price after negotiation, $38,000 insurance. 5 years, $7,425. Gas, 5 years, $6,880. Scheduled maintenance, $1,640. Average repairs, $550. Depreciation, $7,060. AWD tire replacement, $720. Total, $62,275. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Purchase price after markup, $38,500. Insurance, 5 years, $8,100. Gas, 5 years, $7,040. Scheduled maintenance, $2,040. Average repairs, $700. Depreciation, $5,270. AWD tire replacement, $720. Total, $62,370. The difference is $95. Basically identical over 5 years. But this assumes you're paying cash. Let's factor in financing because most people finance. Financing both at 6.5% APR for 60 months. On a $38,000 loan, you pay $4,970 in interest. On a $38,500 loan, You pay $5,035 in interest. That's $65 more interest on the RAV4. Total 5-year cost difference financing included. $160 more for the RAV4. Wait, I said at the beginning that one costs $3,200 more than the other. Let me explain where that number comes from. The $160 difference assumes you get the RAV4 at a reasonable markup, $500 to $1,000 over MSRP. But many buyers are paying $3,000 to $5,000 in dealer markups right now. If you pay that inflated price, your 5-year cost explodes. RAV4, hybrid with $3,500 dealer markup. Purchase price, $39,370. Add interest on that extra money, $460. Total 5-year cost, $65,700. Compared to CRV at normal price, $62,275. Real difference, $3,425 more expensive. That's where the $3,200 number comes from, the dealer markup that Toyota buyers are paying right now. If you can get a RAV4 at MSRP, the costs are nearly identical. But good luck finding that deal. The bottom line, here's the truth. Both vehicles are excellent choices. Both are reliable. Both get good gas mileage. Both will last 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. The Honda CRV Hybrid is easier to buy right now. Dealers have inventory. Markups are minimal. You'll walk out paying close to MSRP. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid holds value better long term. If you plan to trade in 5 years, you'll get more back. But you're also paying a premium upfront because of the shortage. For most budget-conscious buyers, the CRV makes more financial sense today. You're not waiting months for delivery. You're not paying dealer markups. And the 5-year ownership costs are lower if you avoid those inflated RAV4 prices. But if you find a Toyota dealer selling at MSRP, the two vehicles cost almost the same to own. Choose based on which one you like driving, which interior you prefer, which dealer treats you better. The worst choice is paying $3,000 to $5,000 over MSRP for a RAV4 just because you think Toyota is automatically better. At that price, you're throwing money away on dealer profit. Smart buyers walk away from markup dealers. They shop around, they negotiate, and they don't fall for the scarcity games that dealers play. Both vehicles are winners. Just don't lose money buying the one with artificial scarcity pricing. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching TrueCostAuto.